Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps offline. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in using your Google account. Now on the screen, you can see options like Explore, Go, Saved, Contribute and Updates. On the top of the screen, you can see a search bar. You have to stay on Explore, or you can search from Go, Save, Contribute also. Now, once you stay on Explore, all you have to do is look for the location there. I'm gonna look for Himalayan Java Coffee, but this Putali. Then you can see options like directions, start, call, etc. You have to tap on start, then go ahead and turn off your Wi-Fi. Now once you turn off your Wi-Fi, you can see you can still find the way there. Now that blue line you can see is the way that Google Maps is suggesting you. If you look carefully, you can see the name of the ways as well. You can see I have to go through Lakechor Mark to Depkora Sadak. Well, even if you turn off your Wi-Fi or any other internet connection, you can see the other snake-like ways. Those are the roads there you can see. If you zoom in, you can go straight there and go through Pulchoki Mark. Then go ahead and you can join Depkora Sadak again. Well, there are a lot of ways there. You can go straight forward and go through Sahobagita Mark, then go to Depkora Sadak again. It's that easy. You just have to zoom in and Google Maps still work when you're offline. And guys, that's it. That's how you use Google Maps when you're offline. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.